In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage comments, @mentions, and resolve threads efficiently in PowerPoint. Collaborating in PowerPoint works best when your feedback is clear, easy to find, and neatly wrapped up once it's addressed. Let's walk through a smooth workflow you can use on any deck. Start by selecting the exact place you want to discuss. If your feedback is about a specific shape, image, or text box, click that object. If it's about the slide as a whole, just select the slide. Then head to the Review tab and choose New Comment. This anchors your note to the right spot so no one has to guess what you're referring to. Keep your comment focused and actionable to make it easy for others to respond. To bring someone directly into the conversation, type the @ symbol followed by their name. PowerPoint will suggest collaborators. Choose the right person to notify them. This is especially helpful for assigning follow-ups or asking for a decision. Just remember, the person needs access to the presentation for @mentions to work properly, and notifications may depend on your organization's settings. When replies start coming in, use Reply inside the same comment bubble. Keeping everything in one thread preserves context, shows the decision path, and prevents duplicate conversations. It also makes it easier for teammates who join later to catch up quickly. Once the issue is addressed, whether a change has been made or a decision finalized, click Resolve. This hides the thread from the slide but doesn't delete it, so the history remains available if you need to revisit it. Resolving as you go keeps your slides uncluttered and helps everyone see what still needs attention. For a bird's-eye view of all feedback, open the Comments pane from the Review tab. The pane lets you scan every comment in one place, jump directly to the related slide or object, reply without hunting around, and resolve items as you work. It's especially useful in longer presentations where comments can be scattered across many slides. If something changes or a resolved topic needs another look, use Reopen on that comment. This brings the thread back into view and signals that the discussion is active again. Reopening avoids starting a new comment from scratch and keeps the history intact. That's the process. Create a targeted comment, @mention the right person, keep the discussion in replies, resolve it when done, manage everything from the comments pane, and reopen if needed. With these habits, your collaboration stays organized, efficient, and easy for everyone to follow.